India, a country of diverse cultures and breathtaking landscapes, holds a gem on its southernmost tip. Kerala, known as God's own country, Kerala offers a visual treat for all nature lovers. It's a place where the sun kisses the Arabian Sea, leaving a trail of golden hues across the sky, and the Western Ghats stand tall, their peaks veiled by soft white clouds. Nestled between these natural wonders, Kerala is a verdant paradise, teeming with lush greenery that stretches as far as the eye can see. Its unique backwaters, a network of serene lakes and canals, offer tranquility and peace. The sandy beaches, lapped by gentle waves, are a haven for relaxation and rejuvenation. In this video, we'll take you through Kerala's most captivating scenic locations. From the tranquil backwaters and serene beaches to the breathtaking hill stations and vibrant wildlife sanctuaries, Kerala has it all. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the best scenic locations in Kerala. First stop, the backwaters. These are a network of interconnected canals, rivers, lakes and inlets, a labyrinthine system formed by more than 900 kilometers of waterways. In the midst of this beautiful landscape, life unfolds in a uniquely relaxed pace. Afloat on these serene waters are the traditional houseboats, locally known as ketuvallams. These floating homes offer a glimpse into the laid-back rural life of Kerala. A journey on these houseboats is like stepping into a different world, where time seems to stand still. The gentle lapping of the waters, the whispering palms, and the occasional call of the waterbirds form a symphony that lulls you into a state of blissful tranquility. The backwaters are also the lifeline of the locals. Along the banks, you'll find villages where people carry out their daily chores, children waving as they see the boats pass by, fishermen casting their nets with a rhythmic grace, paddy fields stretching towards the horizon, and women in colourful saris picking fresh produce. It's a slice of Kerala that's as real as it gets. The backwaters are also home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. The mangrove forests are a haven for many species of birds and fish. You may even spot an otter or a turtle basking in the sun. The coconut palms that line the banks not only add to the beauty of the landscape but also play a crucial role in the local economy. The importance of the backwaters in Kerala's tourism cannot be overstated. It's an experience that offers you the chance to be part of a world where nature and culture coexist in harmonious balance. It's not just about the stunning views, it's about understanding a lifestyle that's so uniquely different yet heartwarmingly simple. The backwaters are a must-visit while in Kerala, offering a unique experience that stays etched in memory for a lifetime. Next, we head to the beaches. Kerala's coastline is adorned with numerous serene and picturesque beaches. Each one is unique and offers a different vibe, making them a must-visit for any traveler. Let's start with Kovalam, a beach town by the Arabian Sea. This beach is divided into 3 crescent-shaped beaches separated by rocky outcroppings. Its shallow waters are perfect for swimming, while the constant waves make it a great spot for surfing. If relaxation is more your speed, the sandy shores are ideal for sunbathing or enjoying a rejuvenating Ayurvedic massage. Next up is Varkala, often referred to as the Pearl of the Arabian Sea. This beach is not just for those who enjoy the sun and sand, but also for those who are spiritually inclined. The Varkala beach is known for the Papanasam, a holy spot believed to wash away sins. Here, you can immerse yourself in the local culture and customs or simply sit back and soak up the stunning cliffside views. Finally, we have Murari, a beach that's a little off the beaten path, offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle. Murari is a perfect place for those seeking peace and solitude. The serene atmosphere here is complemented by the endless coconut palm trees that line the coast. But the beaches of Kerala aren't just about sunbathing and swimming. They're also a great place to indulge in some beach sports, like beach volleyball or frisbee. And let's not forget the seafood. The coastal cuisine in Kerala is a culinary delight, with fresh catches of the day cooked in aromatic spices, served hot and ready to tantalize your taste buds. So, whether you are a solitude seeker, an adventure enthusiast or a foodie, the beaches of Kerala have something for everyone. From the golden sands of Kovalam to the spiritual shores of Varkala and the tranquil vibes of Murari, these beaches offer a bit of everything. So pack your bags and let the mesmerizing beaches of Kerala be your next destination. From the coastline we move up to the hill stations, The Western Ghats running along Kerala are home to some of the most scenic hill stations in India. Nestled in the lap of these majestic hills is Munnar, a place where the clouds kiss the mountains. Picture this: emerald green tea plantations that stretch as far as the eye can see, rolling hills shrouded in mist, and a cool breeze that whispers tales of the hills. Munnar is a tranquil symphony of nature that leaves every visitor spellbound. Then there's Wayanad, where the fragrance of spices fills the air. The spice plantations here are not just a feast for your senses, but also a testament to Kerala's rich trading history. Strolling through these plantations, you'll find yourself enveloped in the aroma of cardamom, pepper, cinnamon, and vanilla. But the magic of Kerala's hill stations doesn't stop at plantations. They are also havens for wildlife. Thekadi, for instance, is home to the Periyar National Park, where elephants roam freely and tigers lurk in the shadows. The wildlife here coexists with the locals in a delicate balance, offering a unique glimpse into the symbiotic relationship between man and nature. The hill stations of Kerala also beckon the adventurous with numerous trekking trails. These trails wind through dense forests, across bubbling streams, and over undulating hills, each step revealing a new facet of the region's breathtaking beauty. And after a long day of exploration, the pleasant climate offers a cool and refreshing respite. Indeed, these hill stations are more than just a tourist destination. They are a journey into the heart of nature, a retreat into tranquility, and a window into Kerala's soul. Each hill station is unique, each with its own tale to tell, yet they all share a common thread: an unwavering commitment to preserving nature's bounty. The hill stations of Kerala are a nature lover's paradise, offering a cool retreat from the bustling city life. Finally, we explore the rich biodiversity of Kerala. The state boasts several wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, each one a haven for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. The verdant landscapes of Kerala are home to an astonishing variety of flora and fauna, offering a glimpse into Mother Nature's grandeur. Among the many wildlife sanctuaries in Kerala, the Periyar National Park and the Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary stand out for their diverse ecosystems. Periyar, located high in the Cardamom Hills, is one of the largest and most popular wildlife reserves in India. It's a sanctuary to a wide range of animals, including elephants, tigers, gaurs, and many species of birds and reptiles. On the other hand, Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, is a lush, green landscape that resonates with the calls of the wild. Here, one can find elephants, tigers, panthers, and a multitude of bird species, including peafowls and babblers. The sanctuary is also known for its rich variety of trees, herbs, and orchids, making it a botanist's paradise. A visit to these sanctuaries is not just about spotting wildlife. It's about immersing oneself in the raw beauty of nature and understanding the delicate balance that exists between man and the wild. The safari experiences here offer thrilling encounters with these majestic creatures in their natural habitats. Whether it's watching a herd of elephants frolicking in the water or spotting a tiger stealthily prowling in the undergrowth, these experiences are sure to leave you awestruck. Beyond the allure of the wild, these parks and sanctuaries are a testament to Kerala's commitment towards conservation. Efforts to protect these habitats and their inhabitants are ongoing, ensuring that future generations can also marvel at these creatures and the spectacular wilderness they call home. Kerala's wildlife is a testament to the state's commitment towards conservation and is a must-visit for wildlife enthusiasts. Indeed, the wildlife of Kerala is a living, breathing testament to the state's respect for nature and its commitment to preserving this rich biodiversity for generations to come. Kerala's scenic beauty is a testament to nature's bounty. Its diverse landscapes and rich biodiversity offer a plethora of experiences for every traveler. We've journeyed through the serene backwaters, soaked up the sun on the pristine beaches, explored the verdant hill stations, and marveled at the diverse wildlife. But remember, these are just a few highlights from the treasure trove that is Kerala. This South Indian state, often referred to as God's own country, is a haven for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and culture enthusiasts alike. Every corner of Kerala promises a new discovery, a unique story, and an unforgettable experience. Now, it's over to you. Which part of the world would you like us to cover next? Please leave your suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps our channel grow. Until next time, Keep exploring.